In this video, we want to give more texture and details to the photos and increase its quality and resolution with the help of Stable Diffusion artificial intelligence and apply a series of settings on it. Here you see a photo that lacks sharpness, detail, and focus. In normal upscaling methods, if you do this, the texture of the image is lost and the resolution pixels are also displayed, which creates a bad quality and effect. Note that if you do this on human photos, it may slightly change the shape of the face, but it will provide a very good quality. In this video, we have brought a sample photo of a popular CJ character, and we want to convert it into a high-quality image. Stay with us to do this method together. First, it is necessary to install Stable Diffusion, which the video is in the channel. Then add the ControlNet Integrated extension. This extension adds features to Stable Diffusion that can affect the quality and output of your work without adding prompts. The method used in this extension is called Tile, which creates textures and details from scratch. Step 1. Install ControlNet for Stable Diffusion. First, run Stable Diffusion by opening the webyuser.bat file. Now you need to enter the Extensions tab and select the Install from URL option. Now copy the link that we provided in the video description or the comments section, GitHub ControlNet link, and enter it in the first field. Now click Install and wait for the download to complete. When the download and installation is done, you will see a message below. Now you have to restart Stable Diffusion. For this, go to the Installed tab and click Apply and Restart UI. Now wait until it restarts like a Stable Diffusion video. Congratulations, the first step is complete. Step 2. Download and install Tile model for ControlNet. This model rebuild texture of input picture in Stable Diffusion. Therefore, we need to download this model and add it to our Stable Diffusion folder. To do this, first refer to the link in the description or comments. Then, like the video, proceed to download and place it in the desired path. Note: just download the model file with .pthf extension and place it in this path. Tip: we recommend that you download them all so that you don't need to download them again in the next videos that we use. The work is done, and now by restarting the Stable Diffusion, we want to go to increase the details of our image. Step 3. Increasing details of the image with the tile model in Stable Diffusion. Now at first, without applying any special settings, we want to understand what our image looks like in its raw state. In this case, we first open the ControlNet tab and place the image of the CJ character in the Single Image section. Now we set the control type to Tile mode and click on the Generate button. Note: be sure to check Enable button. As you can see, without making certain adjustments, the output isn't even the same picture of CJ character. So we are going to do couple steps to make it better. Step 4. Download Instant ID for ControlNet. One of the models that can create the image for you without changing and maintaining the structure of the face is Instant ID. In this case, you first refer to link number 3 and download the iPadapter model and the ControlNet model. Now, as described in this section, you change their name and place the file in the specified path. Note that change the IP adapter model file to IP adapter instantediousdxl.bin and the ControlNet model file to control instantediousdxl.safetensors. Pay attention to the file extension. Now place them in the path. Then enter Stable Diffusion again and refresh it. Now generate the new image by applying the same settings as in the previous step, activating the Enable option and setting the model field to the Control Instanted's DXL value. You can see the options that have been added by clicking the Refresh option. As you can see, the output image is not of the required quality, but it is better than before, and the image is similar to our character. Now it is necessary to apply some settings in the Net Control section and the rest of the Stable Diffusion sections. The fifth step, applying settings in Net Control and Stable Diffusion environment to optimize the image. First, you need to enter your image and activate the ControlNet is more important option. This work increases the strength and stability of our character's image and face. Now you need to reduce the amount of CFG scale to increase the creativity of Stable Diffusion. In the next step, we add a prompt to change the image closer to our taste. Now to add more stability to our image, we add another ControlNet unit. Enter the image and this time select the IP adapter model with its corresponding model as in the video. Note, don't forget that you have to reactivate the Enable option for each unit. Again, as you can see, the image is not well rendered. You can get better images by applying more settings and generating different images by clicking Generate. Step 6. Use the Image to Image feature to create better details. You can also use IMG to IMG to create better details. Before we proceed with this method, we need to download a better model for IP adapter. Use link number 4 to download the IP adapter Face ID plus SD15.bin model. Then place the file in the following path. Now enter Stable Diffusion and refresh it. Then enter the image of the CJ character, and by selecting the desired setting options, you will see that the model has been added in the preprocessor with the title IP Adapter Cliff. Now refresh the Stable Diffusion page again so that we can use the IMG to IMG method to add texture and increase the resolution. Usually, a better result is obtained in this section. First enter the image, then go to the ControlNet section and activate the tile method and IP adapter as in the previous steps. Note, be sure to select preprocessor and model values carefully as shown in the video. Now we slightly decrease the value of denoising strength to make it more similar to the original image. We also decrease the value of CFG scale to increase the creativity of Stable Diffusion. Now we also select the Gunya option so that the output image is the same size as our original image. Finally, we create an automatic prompt by clicking this option and edit it according to our taste and idea. Click on the Generate option. As you can see, the image has more texture and detail. You can create your output with higher quality by changing more settings, upscaling the image, and choosing stronger models. Thank you for watching this video on our channel. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to support us, like the video, share it, and leave your comments. In the future, wait for interesting and practical videos of artificial intelligence.